Hi, this is Dave Jones with Storm Center Communications and Geo Collaborate. It's Wednesday, September 14th, 2022, and we now have a tropical depression. We've been watching this tropical wave moving across the Atlantic Ocean, and now the Hurricane Center has deemed it tropical depression number 7 of the season. This tropical depression is clearly rotating. You can see that on the high resolution GOES satellite image. That line you see coming across the satellite picture is the terminator line. That's the sunrise coming up. When the image starts, it's dark, but now it's daytime out in the tropical Atlantic and also here in the United States. So we're watching the system move to the west, and it has winds of 35 miles per hour, but it is forecast to become a tropical storm. If it does become a tropical storm, it will be called Tropical Storm Fiona. We've gone through Alex, Bonnie, and Colin as tropical storms, and Hurricanes Danielle and Earl. But let me show you what this is. This is a Phase 0 update of the All Hazards Consortium sensitive information sharing environment. And so we're going to be talking a little bit about this storm here. You can see I've switched over to the sandwich product. This is a very interesting product. It combines thunderstorm activity and texture with the infrared. And so you can see the storm sort of bubbling up as the sun comes up. So it does have some organization to it. We're going to be watching it very closely. We'll be following it. On the Geo Collaborate dashboard, you can see what it looks like. I'll be zooming in here in just a second. You can see that the red area is the favorable area of development that the Hurricane Center has identified over the next 1 to 5 days, and certainly something has developed. So I'm going to turn that tropical weather outlook layer off and zoom in here a little bit so you can see what this looks like and what the threats to the islands will be over the next couple of days, particularly into Friday. Here's where the system is right now as a tropical depression. It's forecast by this evening, 8 p.m. Atlantic Daylight Time or Standard Time, to become a tropical storm. And this tropical storm will be Fiona. And it won't be forecast to intensify that rapidly. However, we all know when tropical storms approach the islands, and these are the northern islands here, so St. John's in part of the northern islands there, headed towards Puerto Rico, they are all within the cone of uncertainty for this forecast and somewhat close to the center of that cone, which means the confidence is higher towards the center of the cone. But the cone really means that the center of the storm could move anywhere within that cone. As a matter of fact, within 65 miles of that cone. So it looks pretty confident. Confidence is high that the islands, the northern islands, will be impacted by this tropical system. Currently a tropical depression, forecast to be Tropical Storm Fiona. Beyond Friday, into 8 p.m. Friday, it looks like into early morning hours of Saturday, Puerto Rico will start to feel the impacts of this tropical storm. And we all know how many mountains are on Puerto Rico. That orographic enhancement really causes very heavy rains. So the possibility of flooding over the weekend is very real for Puerto Rico, also for St. John's, also for the Dominican Republic as we get into Sunday, and that means Haiti and the Dominican Republic. What happens after that, we'll have to see how these islands impact the circulation and how it will develop further. But this is where it's forecast to move and be as of Sunday, and that is 8 a.m. Sunday, right over the Dominican Republic and Haiti. So we'll be keeping you posted on the status of this system. But once again, just a quick video update on Tropical Depression 7, which is forecast to become Tropical Storm Fiona by later this afternoon or this evening, and then continue on as a tropical storm. It is not forecast to become a hurricane through the weekend because of land influences, and it's not a spectacular atmospheric environment for this system to develop rapidly. So we have those things going for us. But once again, some flooding potential in the islands over the weekend. That's it for now. I'm Dave Jones with Storm Center Communications and Geo Collaborate. We'll keep you posted as conditions warrant. Thanks for watching.